In today's video, I will be sharing with you very exciting, just 1 minute, easy and effective exercises to target your lower belly fat, that belly pooch or that hanging lower belly. Now finally, you can get rid of it with just simple and easy exercises which you can actually do in the comfort of your own home. The lower belly fat is a common concern of many women, especially maybe after a pregnancy, hormonal imbalances, could be age, could be slow metabolism. Any one of the factors contributing could be the main culprit for you not looking good in your favorite dress, but not anymore. With just these simple 1 minute exercises, with all you need is just a chair or maybe a sofa in the comfort of your home, or maybe a park bench. If you think you can do it, so will you, because I've seen many lives change. It's all tried and tested. I'm a living example right here. I have performed these exercises every single day and I still do. That's why I can keep in shape. So if you think you can do it, then what are we waiting for? Let's begin with a bang and let's say bye-bye to the lower belly fat.
One, go! 3, 2, 1, go! 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go!
Now, wasn't that wonderful? I'm sure you had a fabulous time just like I did. That lower belly fat feels so tight and toned, and that's what the purpose is. But not without if you don't follow clean eating habits. And if you're looking for a paid customized diet plan, then I'm the right person, because I'm also a certified dietitian and I do provide absolutely customized tailor-made programs in which you can actually enjoy your favorite meals also. So you can find the details on all of my social media handles and you can DM me directly. So I do really hope you enjoyed this video and you're sure gonna lose that lower belly fat. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.